Good morning, it's Tuesday, June the 23rd, and you're watching AGORACOM Small Cap News TV. I'm your host, Paul Kandakos. AGORACOM TV is a daily, fast-paced, edgy show, bringing you the best press releases at the open, along with the halts so that you can hopefully profit from them and potentially find your next great small cap investment. As always, folks, I've got a great show lined up for you. I've got one press release from the Canadian side and one from the U.S. side. Two halts to report on in the second segment of our show. So without any further ado, let's get down to business. Our lead story comes out of the Canadian side. Company called New Dawn Mining Corporation. They trade on the big board. That's the TSX under the symbol ND. The company is announcing that they've continued gold exploration efforts in Zimbabwe. And more importantly, they filed an NI 43-101. That's National Instrument 43-101 report on their gold properties in the Guru Shurgui Greenstone Belt. I'm sure I didn't pronounce that correctly, but nonetheless, that's not the important thing. The important thing is I've got some highlights, pretty impressive from the press release, which include the company has a total of 4 option agreements on mineral exploration claims in the district, which were reviewed, that include several past producing mines located in the option claims. Additionally, we see some pretty impressive gold grades coming out of the report. We've got gold grades of 1.21 grams per ton over 58 meters, 1.16 grams per ton over 58 meters, and 1.15 grams per ton over 66 meters were reported from infill trenching, and that's on the Glen Hume option. We've got several shallow mines that may have the potential at depth and are contained within the option claims. And finally, there is the potential for high tonnage, low grade ore amenable for open pit mining, which exists. And again, that's at the Glen Hume option. So we've got some pretty exciting stuff coming out of New Dawn. Keep your eye on that company. Disclaimer time, they are an AGORACOM client. However, as always, the news stands on its own 2 feet. A little bit about the company. They're a junior gold company concentrating its efforts in southern Africa with a particular focus on Zimbabwe. New Dawn is well established in the southern Africa region with 3 mines, 2 production facilities, a skilled and experienced workforce, and significant resources. Now, a little bit more info. The 2 recent NI 43-101 reports documented an aggregate of 970,000 ounces of gold reserves and resources grading between 2.9 to 6.1 grams per ton. And additionally, they've got inferred mineral resources of 360,000 ounces of gold grading between 3.9 to 5.9 grams per ton. Company's last at $1.52, high of $1.85, low of 5 cents, and the market cap of approximately $44 million. Moving on to our next company, south of the border, Gamma Pharmaceuticals trades on the bulletin board under the symbol GMPM. The company is announcing that they've reached a distribution agreement with 360, excuse me, 360 for retail market coverage. It's an agreement with 360 Distribution, which is a major distributor in Texas. They estimate that the retail market value of this contract or agreement is worth approximately $750,000 in the first year, and that's up to $750,000. So there's no guarantees that they're going to reach that milestone. A little bit about the company. Gamma Pharmaceuticals is a marketing and product formulation company. At present, Gamma manufactures in North America and distributes in the United States and China. Company's last at 11 cents, high of $1.85, low of 3 cents, market cap of approximately $2.5 million. That's it for the press releases. Now let's move on to halts. I've got 2 for you. First one, CAG Capital Inc. They trade on the TSX Venture under the symbol CAG.P. They've been halted pending news. And finally, we've got Seeger Capital Management trades on the TSX Venture under the symbol SIE.P. They've been halted pending news. That's a wrap for today's show. Thanks for tuning in. I'm your host, Paul Kandakos. Make sure to tune in again tomorrow. We've got more great press releases and halts at the open for you.